Hey guys, welcome back to SBB Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all 5 different headbands which are super easy and super cool to make at home, and also I'll be showing you all 30 seconds hairstyle as well with these headbands. So these are super easy, super cool, super stylish. So let's get started. First of all, we need any old t-shirts, or you can take jeggings or leggings. Basically, it need to be stretchable fabric. That's it. Now let's start, and for that first we are gonna make a wired headband. For that I have taken an old t-shirt of mine and ironed it very well because it's easier to work with. Now we can take fabric glue or glue gun or needle or thread, whatever is available with you. You guys can take that. Now I have taken 5 inches of fabric here, but then if you want you can take more or less. That is upon your preference. Now I'll be cutting out that. Now for length I'll be taking 16 inches. Again, that's your preference. If you want more or less, you can take according to that. And then I'll be cutting out a triangular shape. And after that I'll be just folding the edges like so and ironing it very well. And after that I'll be just sticking that with fabric glue. Now I'll be taking a iron wire, and these are easily available in any craft store. So these are basically taken for flower making, so you guys can take that. And then I'll be taking the length which I need, little bit extra than that, and then I'll be folding the edges so that it is not it won't poke. For that I'll be just folding the edges like so that the edges are actually smooth. I'll be doing the same for the other side as well and sticking the both edges with glue gun. I have folded the edges, and then I have stick the sides together with the help of glue gun, and then I have ironed it very well for a better finish. Now for hairstyle, it's very simple. You guys know what to do. I have left my hair open. If you want you can go for a hairband as well, or else you can go for braids or side ponies, 2 ponies as well. That's all up to you. And then just twist it like so, and it's a super cool hairstyle. And if you want you can twist it twice, and again it would look more cute. So that's it for the very first hairstyle. Now for second headband, we are gonna make a turban headband, which is very easy to make. For that I have taken 5 inches width. Again, as I said, it's upon you guys. If you want to take more or less, that would be perfectly fine. And then I have cut out it in half. Then what we need to do is we need to give a side stitch. You can actually do it with a needle and thread. That's absolutely fine, or else you can use fabric glue or glue gun. So basically I have here used needle and thread and given a side stitch like so. If you have sewing machine, you can definitely give a side stitch like this. And then I'll be taking a needle, and then not needle, safety pin, and then putting the fabric inside out. In that way we get a very neat finish. And then as you guys can see, I'll be making this stitch ka part jo hai na, I'll be putting it exactly in the middle, and I'll be placing this those 2 strips just like so, and then fold it in this way. It's very simple. After that is done, we need to just keep both the sides together, both the parts together, and give a stitch. That's it. With that, our headband is ready. Now for this headband, I have put my hair up in a bun just like so, and I've also made at a point that I leave my hair a little bit from front section just as it is, because it gives a nice messier look. And that's it. Just put on this headband and it looks super cool and very stylish as well. Next, we are gonna make a very easy headband, but then we can style it in very different ways, various different ways. Now, for that, I have taken a torn t-shirt dress of mine. I have taken 7 inches width, and then I'll be cutting it out, and also I'll be cutting it out from the middle so that we get a long strip of fabric. That's something, it is very important. We need a long strip of fabric so that we have enough fabric to work with. Now I'll be just folding it in half, and then now we can either stick it with fabric glue or glue gun, or then we can also stitch it with needle and thread. Now I have also cut the sides in a triangular shape, and then make sure that you leave little bit of space from both the sides so that we can put this safety pin and put the fabric inside out. In that way we get a long strip of fabric, and then sides little bit of space is open, and what you can do is just keep it just in a triangular shape, and either you can stick it or else you can give a stitch with needle and thread, and that's up to you guys. Once it is done, our headband is ready, you guys. It's super simple to make. It's very easy, but then trust me, you can style it in various ways. Now I'll be showing you guys how we can style it in 5 different ways. Now for the fourth headband, I'll be taking 6 inches ka fabric from the front section of this t-shirt. Why? Because back has got different patterns, actually plain, and front has got this nice floral print to it. That's the reason I have cut it out from the front section only. And then I'll be giving a side stitch like so, and put a needle and thread and put it inside out. In that way we get the exact headband. Now just make sure that the stitch part is there. No, that should come at the back portion, and front portion should be very neat. And then give a stitch both the edges together, and here we go, it's ready. Now what we can do is just fold this part together, and then take a small piece of fabric and fold it all around and give it a stitch. In that way it would be really neat. And with that, our headband is ready. Now for the fifth headband, we are gonna make a braided headband. So for that, I'll be cutting out this 1-inch cast stripes from this t-shirt. So for this t-shirt, I have got two colors in it. So I'll be taking one in gray color, and there is this blackish gray color, and two in pink color. So if you want, you can take three exactly different colors, or you can take three same colors as well. So that's all up to you guys. Now what we need to do is we need to braid it. Before that, just pull the strips just like so that it will be neat while braiding it. And then we need a hair tie as well. Why? Because while folding or this braiding this t-shirt, what happens is its elasticity would be less actually. So to make it more stretchable, to wear it very easily, we are going to take a hair tie actually. So you guys can take any thin hair tie, that would be fine. And then I'll be tying this what we call it as the strips of fabric just like so, all the three together, and then we are gonna just braid it. Very simple. Now I'll be showing you guys hairstyles with this headband. For that, first we'll be putting this headband onto my crown area, and then I'll be putting inside this headband my little bit of my hair, what is there in my front section. I'm just putting through this headband, and that way it is gonna be a super cool hairstyle, super easy hairstyle actually, and it's very cute. So if you find it little difficult doing it that way, we can do it in other way as well. For that, I'll be putting my headband just the normal way, but then making sure that I'll be leaving out a little bit of hair from my front section, and then I'll be taking that hair, that whatever hair we have left open from front section, and then I'll be putting through my headband and then pulling it out, and that way it's gonna be a nice different hairstyle. So that's it, you guys. Those were the 5 different headbands and hairstyles with those headbands. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. So you guys know the drill. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.